Hi students, my name is John. Normally I'm creating videos for your teacher to help them use technology in the classroom, but today I have a special video for you because I want to introduce you to a brand new Chromebook feature that's going to allow you to take a screen capture or a screen video of what you've been doing on your Chromebook. First, let's take a look at it. To start a screen capture, it only works on a Chromebook. You got to press 3 keys at the same time. You're going to press Control, Alt, and the window switcher key. Now that's a funky key. The window switcher key is right above the number 6 on your Chromebook. Control, Alt, window switcher key. And you're going to get this cool new toolbar. This allows you to take either a screen shot, that's the camera, or a screen video. And you can just toggle between them. Now, there's a couple of buttons down here, but you really only need to worry about 2 of them. The 2 buttons that you're going to use primarily are this very first one, which is just record everything. And if you're not sure, use that one. Just records whatever you put on your screen. The second button is also helpful. That is the select an area. So I can highlight whatever area of my screen I want to capture. That's helpful if you want to just take a little snippet of a tiny piece of what you're doing. The third one just takes a window, which I don't use that one very often. You can try it if you want. Now, if you're going to do a video, one very important thing I want you to double check. So I am on video right now. I'm going to click on the fidget spinner, the little widget there. Make sure that the microphone switch is on. If you're going to be narrating and explaining, you want to make sure that's on. Otherwise, you're going to be very frustrated and you're not going to capture the audio. Okay? That's the overview. Now let's take a couple of examples, look at a couple ways that your teacher might ask you to do this. So the first is maybe your teacher wants you to document that you did your typing test, that you practiced your vocabulary, you did your multiplication table, something like that. So here's a typing test. The teacher wants me to take a screenshot of the confirmation page. And so all I need to do is press Control, Alt, window switcher key. I'm going to select an area so I can, just get that part that I'm interested in. We'll hit the capture button. And now I'm going to upload that to Google Classroom. So I'll head back to Google Classroom. Here's the assignment. You've probably done this before with other attachments. I'm going to hit the Add or Create button. We're going to upload a file. And this is going to take me to the Downloads folder. That's where your screenshot went when you took it, and there it is. It's the first thing, so I just select, hit open, attach that, and I'm done. So if your teacher ever wants you to verify something or you want to prove that, hey, I did turn it in, here's when I turned it in, this is when I edited it, screenshot is a great way to do that. Now, you can also very easily add a screenshot into a Google document, a Google slide presentation, a Google drawing. Super easy. So this is a writing prompt that I set up for a student. And I want them to take a screenshot of their graphic organizer and then add it to this document. So here's what the graphic organizer looks like. And we'll just take a picture of the whole thing. Control, Alt, switcher. Take everything. Bam. Done. Okay? Now this is really cool. If you look at the bottom right corner of your Chromebook screen, way down here at the bottom, you're going to see probably 3 little icons. This is called the Tote. It's like a little bag where all your recent downloads go. Right there is a screenshot that I just took, and all I have to do is drag that picture into my Google slide presentation. Bam, done. So if you need to add a document to Google Sites, Google Docs, Google Slides, if you're putting their image in there, look down there at the Tote, drag it in, and you're good to go. Last example. My teacher wants me to record a video talking about my research paper. They want me to explain what I'm working on, what I'm going to improve. So I'm going to go ahead and start a screenshot, toggle over to video. I'm going to double check, make sure that my microphone is on, I'm good, and record. 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're recording audio right now. Whatever I do, I can, move up and down. I can highlight, type, do whatever I want. I'm talking, it's recording that. So I'm going to answer whatever question the teacher has given me. Now to stop your recording, look down at the bottom of your screen. Right now we're recording, so you can see that red button. It tells me that I'm recording. I'm going to go ahead and press that, turn it off, and I'll stop the recording. And it's going to go into my Tote. It's in my downloads folder. So let's just take a look. There it is. If I want to open it up, just check it out. Whatever I do, I can, That's what we just heard. Looks good. Now I want to attach that. I want to put that into Google Classroom. So here is my assignment that my teacher wanted me to attach that to. Research paper reflection, just like we did previously. We're going to go to the Add or Create button. We're going to click on File Upload. This is going to take us to our download folder, and bam, there it is, screen recording. We're going to upload that. It'll take a little bit longer. The files will be a little bit larger, but shouldn't take too long. Submit that. Done. You're good. You're moving on. This is an awesome way to demonstrate that you've done something, get help if you're having issues with your Chromebook, and turn your work in so you can get full credit for it.